In front of us, we have the key master system, KMS, that is used for key drop off and key pickup, usually found in like automotive repair shops or other places where a key drop off and a unattended key pickup is needed. On the key drop off, we have two tubular locks right here made by ABA. Don't know if you can see. There you go. And then we have these 3-dial combination locks as well that have a resetting and override feature with the tubular locks on them as well. We're not going to worry about the tubular locks itself. What we are going to talk about is someone has a key in this box. Can this lock be easily defeated? The answer is yes. Of course, we could always do some type of physical attack against it. The box itself is actually built fairly well. So let's talk about defeating the actual mechanisms in here, or the dial combinations. How we're going to do that is we are going to use our Covert Instruments decoder tools. They have a thicker one, which is, I think, like 0.1 or 0.01 of an inch thick. And then they have a thinner one, which I believe is 0.005 or 0.006. Someone correct me in the comments below. But how we approach this is how we approach every other dial lock. Now, on this, what we're going to be looking for is we are going to be looking for slipping in our tool at the bottom of the dial, and then we're going to feel something rough. Now, that's the best way I found to describe this, is finding something rough. So, I'll keep on doing this. Oh, one over. I don't know the combination of this lock. I haven't one of my friends reset it for me. So, again, I'm just feeling for a rougher feeling than normal. And you'll know what I'm talking about. It's hard to describe it in words. It's just rough. All right, yeah. So if I try to unlock it right now, it's going to go nowhere. So what we can do is we can just turn the dials each time and then try it, right? Now, what I do know on this lock is that it is all one over from the rough position. So there we go. Yeah, there we go. Let's see. There we go. So that works, right? Grab the keys, take the vehicle, or whatever is inside there. If there's house keys in it because they use this for an Airbnb or something, or if they use it for a condo, it costs a lot, right? Like this costs $900. And you can buy these locks just if you want to practice on the locks itself. You can buy them off of Amazon. I think they're a little overpriced there. Buy them directly from the manufacturer, but you got to buy a boatload of them. And you can actually buy these locks from KMS themselves. They sell them for a reasonable price, $20 of the recording of this video, if you wanted to practice this yourself. But there you go. This key solution, remote unattended key solution that doesn't require any batteries, easily defeated with just a simple decoder tool. And again, I did have to use the thinner one to make it work, or it worked best, I should say, on this one. As always, happy hacking, keep learning, be legal, be safe.